Eyes open, Marine!
That's right, this 1-minute short film was generated by AI. It tells the story of an ordinary U.S. soldier during the day landings in World War II and his transformation after experiencing life-and-death battles. The tools I use today are ChatGPT's newly released Image2 model, along with the powerful video generator, Seedance 2. It's hard to imagine that AI models have evolved to such a stunning level. Especially the Image2 model. Its ability to handle character details is almost perfect. In my opinion, it has already surpassed Nano Banana. In today's video, I will teach you the ultimate workflow of combining Image2 with Seedance 2. Enough talk, let's get started. First, I want to create a short film based on a World War II theme. On June 6, 1944, at Omaha Beach, the story opens with aerial shots of a massive landing fleet, then focuses on a rookie soldier, Miller, inside a landing craft, overwhelmed with fear. The door opens, and a hellish barrage of bullets pours in. As Miller and the veteran Sergeant Ward charge forward, Ward is shot and sacrifices himself to protect Miller. Amid blood, water, and smoke, Miller transforms from breakdown to awakening, gripping his comrades' dog tags, and with a determined gaze, charges toward the enemy bunker. Next, we need to define the character prompts for the main character Miller and Sergeant Ward. Miller, a 20-year-old soldier wearing a silver cross necklace. Supporting character, Sergeant Ward, 40 years old, with stubble all over his face, a noticeable old scar on his left cheek, and always holding an unlit cigar in the corner of his mouth. Once the characters are defined, we will use GPT Image2. You can access it through the official website, which offers 5 free image generations per day. Or you can use an AI platform that integrates both Image2 and Seedance 2. The advantage of such platforms is speed. You don't need to switch between sites to generate images and videos. The disadvantage is that it requires payment. To save time, I chose a paid subscription. Copy the prompt for the main character Miller, go to the JXP website, select GPT Image2, choose text-to-image mode, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, resolution to 1K, quality to medium, and generate directly. Let's take a look at the result. The character details are extremely rich. We use the same method to generate the image of Sergeant Ward. Next, based on the text-to-image prompt for each shot, we generate the corresponding images. All prompts will be organized in a Google document, and I will place the link in the video description. After all the images are generated, select the Seedance 2 model on JXP, upload the reference images, and generate videos based on the video prompts. Once all videos are generated, open your editing software, arrange the clips, add suitable background music, and your short film is complete. See? It's that simple.
Eyes open, Marine!
If you also enjoy using AI to create short films, the combination of GPT Image2 and Seedance 2 is a great choice. One represents a top-tier image model, and the other represents leading video generation capabilities. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. In the next episode, I will break down the GPT Image2 model in detail. See you next time.